Hey all, excuse the angle, I'm slouched down in the chair because I'm collapsing in it for the second. It's too hot. It's way too hot. I'm actually over filming parts for the inkle loom videos. And that's bang smack in the sun. And so I'm melting. So I've come over here where it's slightly less hot to recover for a second before going back over there. But I am working on the inkle loom video. I've got some bits done. I may end up refilming a couple of bits. I don't know. I'll see what happens when I watch them. This is a really bad angle. You can see my double chin. Oh well, never mind. We all knew I was fat. Yeah, so I'm going to do the basics to start with on this video. On the inkle loom videos. That's what I've got mostly filmed. So I'm about to film the warping up because I've already filmed the info about the different types of yarn, different actual inkle looms and the parts of the inkle loom. So now I'm just going to get one warped up. If I can find my bits that I've already done and made years ago, I will show them as examples of the sort of things. I just have to find them. I tried a minute ago, wore myself out, so I'm taking more rest. It is Thursday the 2nd and it's currently 3 o'clock because I slept rather late. The gabapentin is really knocking me out, and though I'm still not staying asleep all night, I'm still waking up many times through the night, I am sleeping a lot longer. When I wasn't on any tablets, I was waking up 7, 8, 9 o'clock, whereas now it's more like 11, 12 again, so it's a bit of an issue because it's slowing down me being able to do anything, and by that point it's already starting to get really rather hot. So yeah, I'm just melting into a puddle. I expect a lot of you are right now. Duncan's beside me. He's working from home. He's only been here half the day because he had a business meeting in the morning, which he went to, which is why he's working from home, because it's just quicker to come here than to go back to the office because of where the meeting was. He done the same on Tuesday. But yeah, so it's a pain in the ass for him because I'm recording. He can't watch anything on TV. But oh well, never mind. Right, I'm going to go and hopefully get back to this filming. I'll catch you all later and let you know how it went. Bye bye. Hi all, so it's 8:49 on Thursday the 2nd now, so I've had a busy day. I'm actually shattered, I'm in quite a lot of pain. I've been doing some of the inkle loom filming. I now remember why I stopped doing it so much, because it hurts. The angles I need are just really painful. But I'm getting there. I've got a good chunk of it shot. There might be a few bits I want to redo, which I think I said earlier about. But yeah, we're getting there. It's going to be done soon, so hopefully maybe tomorrow, if I'm lucky, I'll get that up. There's just a lot to do on that video, just like there was on the hairpin lace. There's several different things that need covering. But hopefully I'll get it up tomorrow. If not, maybe over the weekend or beginning of next week I'll get it up. I don't know, because it's taken a long time. There's a lot to organise and sort, and when you're trying to do it over a camera or around a camera and not block the view, it's much more fiddly. So it's made filming a bit of a challenge because I don't have the right equipment to get the correct angles. I kind of have to balance things around, but hopefully people can still learn from it, so we'll see anyway. But then once Duncan finished work, we went up to the pub up the road with my mother and father-in-law for a little drink, just to sit out in the garden up there, just, you know, a bit of nice sunshine. So I had elderflower because they have some lovely fizzy elderflower up there, so I had a couple of glasses of that because I don't really drink, and it was quite nice because we all went, even my sons, all 3 of them actually came and showed their face for a while, which it's not often they do, so it was really nice. And then we stopped back at their house for a little bit and have a chat and things, and then we've come home, which is why we're only just getting dinner. almost 9 o'clock. But I'm ready for bed. I am absolutely shattered and rather large amount of pain, but I'm still feeling happy, which is good. I think the extra sleep I'm getting is really helping my mental state. Even though I'm exhausted and in a lot of pain, I'm feeling much happier than I've felt in a long time, which is fabulous, and that's really my positive. I'm just happy, and I'm enjoying, even though it's hurting, I'm enjoying doing these videos, because I'd like to share what I know, and I miss teaching. Because I used to teach the kids all arts and crafts. If you haven't been around for long, I used to volunteer in arts and an after school club, and I was the volunteer arts and crafts teacher, and I used to teach them loads of things and loved it. And I miss doing that, so it's nice to at least have some way of doing that, even if it's on video and a little more awkward doing it that way. But it's been fun. So I am going to go, and I will see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.